क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचं फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथड आज आपण बघणार आहोत. सो फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथडमध्ये आपण काय करायचं आहे, यू हॅव टू ऑब्झर्व दिस लास्ट नंबर अँड द कोइफिशियंट ऑफ एक्स. इकडे कोणताच आकडा नाही आहे, म्हणजे त्याचा कोइफिशियंट एक्स स्क्वेअरचा 1 आहे. सो प्रॉडक्ट ऑफ दिस म्हणजे 54 इंटू 1 दॅट इज इक्वल टू 54. सपोज इकडे 2 असते तर 54 इंटू 2. आता 54 आणि इकडचा जो नंबर आहे तो 1, इथे काहीच नंबर नाही आहे, दॅट मीन्स कोएफिशियंट इज 1. त्यांचं जे प्रॉडक्ट येतं त्याचे फॅक्टर आपण असे पाडणार. या 54चे फॅक्टर्स आपल्याला असे पाडायचे आहेत की त्याची सम -15 यायला पाहिजे. सो 54 कम्स इन 9th टेबल. सो हा झाला आपला 9 आणि 4. हे आपण लास्ट इयर शिकलेलो आहोत की फॅक्टरायझेशन कसं करायचं ते. आता फक्त ते इन फॉर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन कसं सॉल्व करायचं ते आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. सो 9 6 54. सो 9 आणि 6 यांची सम 15 येते. इफ द सम ऑफ 9 अँड 6 इज 15 ॲट दॅट टाईम वी हॅव टू पुट दिस साईन. जेव्हा त्यांची बेरीज येते तेव्हा हे साईन आपल्याला दोघांनाही टाकायचं आहे. सो हे पण झाले मायनस आणि हे पण झाला मायनस. इज इट क्लिअर? अँड वेन इट इज डिफरन्स विच इज इक्वल टू द मिडल नंबर, ॲट दॅट टाईम वी हॅव टू पुट द मिडल साईन टू द ग्रेटर नंबर. जेव्हा डिफरन्स येतो तेव्हा वेगवेगळी साईन द्यायची असतात, आणि जेव्हा सम येते तेव्हा हे मिडल साईन जे आहे तेच या इथल्या 2 नंबरना जातं. डिफरन्स असेल तर हे साईन ग्रेटर नंबरला, बट 9 आणि 6चे सम 15 येते, म्हणजे हेच साईन दोघांना गेलं. अँड नाव देअरफोर साईन इन फ्रंट ऑफ सॉल्विंग इक्वेशन एक्स स्क्वेअर आहे तसाच घ्यायचा. दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ स्प्लिटिंग मिडल टर्म. हे मिडल टर्म आपण स्प्लिट करतोय ते कसं, -9 अँड हिअर एक्स इज देअर, सो इट इज -9x -6x प्लस 54 इज इक्वल टू 0. then I will group the terms. Therefore ह्या दोघांमधून x कॉमन, x -9. सो मी आय हॅव अर्लियर टॉट यू, मी आधी शिकवलेलं आहे. हिअर इट विल बी x -9. इफ x इज इनसाइड -6 विल बी आउट, दॅट इज इक्वल टू 0. देअरफोर आय विल गेट 2 इक्वेशन्स, 2 ब्रॅकेट्स. x -9 जे कॉमन ब्रॅकेट आहे ते, आणि उरलेले नंबर्स x -6 इज इक्वल टू 0. Therefore x -9 is equal to 0 or x -6 is equal to 0. Reason AB is equal to 0. Therefore if AB is equal to 0, A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. And thus I will get x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 6. And the solution I will write as in the bracket 9 and 6. Is it clear? So here I am taking 2.2 factorization, 2.2 of the exercise. So this is first problem is over. We will continue with the second problem. See the second problem. Again x square, see here x square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. We have to factorize 20 into 1. See here 20 into 1. From where I got this one, this is the coefficient over here. It is not written, that means 1 is there. तो 1 तिकडे आहे आणि तो पण घेतलेला आहे. सो 20 into 1 त्याचे फॅक्टर्स आपण पाडले. सो दिस इज 20चे फॅक्टर्स करूया टू गेट सम 1. दिस इज 5 4 जा 20. त्याचा डिफरन्स येतो आहे, म्हणजे डिफरंट साईन्स आय हॅव टू पुट. सो वेगळे चिन्ह देऊया. हे साईन, दिस साईन विल बी फॉर द ग्रेटर नंबर आणि स्मॉलर नंबरला मायनस साईन. अगेन वी विल सी दॅट द प्रॉडक्ट इज -20. देअरफोर आय विल कॅरी एक्स स्क्वेअर, ही मिडल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग आहे. सो प्लस 5x -4x -20 इज इक्वल टू 0. Factorizing grouping. So x is common inside x plus 5. Again I will get x plus 5 minus 4 out is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 5 in one bracket and x minus 4 in another bracket is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to -5. or x is equal to 4. Here I will write AB is equal to 0, then A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Thus I am getting the solution -5 and 4. Third problem, 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Now 13 into 2, because now the coefficient of y square is 2. 13 into 2 is equal to 26. 26 चे factors naturally पडतील. 26 1 जा 26 to get the sum 27. Therefore बघा हे 26 into 1 हे मी मनातून आणत नाही आहे, त्याची सम येते 27 म्हणून मी 26 into 1 आणलं. इट माइट बी 13 into 2, बट वी हॅव टू ऑब्झर्व द मिडल नंबर. So I will get 2y square plus 26y plus 1y plus 13 is equal to 0. So splitting the term I will get, here grouping the term, 2y common inside the bracket y plus 2 13 जा 26 और 13 2 जा 26. So 2 common आले तर आतमध्ये राहिले 13. Again I will repeat y plus 13. See, if y goes inside, plus 1 will be out, is equal to 0. Thus I will get 2y plus 1 in one bracket and y plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 or y plus 13 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to -1, y is equal to -1 by 2. Reason it will be AB. Here I will write the reason at this step as AB is equal to 0, therefore A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. So here again y is equal to -13. Thus I will get the solution as, so I will write the solution -half and -13. Now fourth problem. See here, we have to get the equation in a format ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So whatever right hand side should be 0 and whatever the terms which are in the right side should be brought to left side. So here 5m square, this plus 22 will be minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. Is it clear? So therefore 15 into 5, 15 into 5, that is 75. 75's factors to get some 22 or difference 22. It is 25 3 जा 75. सो ह्याची 25 आणि 3चा डिफरन्स येतो, म्हणजे हा झाला -25 अँड दिस इज प्लस. बिकॉज फॉर डिफरन्स अगेन आय एम टेलिंग वी विल पुट different signs. So this sign will be for the greater number. Therefore 5m square minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. Grouping करूया. Therefore 5m in the bracket m minus 5. Is it clear? 5 outside, so 5 5s are 25, therefore 5. Again m minus 5 as it is here. Easily we are getting plus 3 out. So this is exactly equal to 0. So m minus 5 is the common bracket and 5m plus 3 is the another bracket is equal to 0. Therefore m minus 5 is equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the reason AB is equal to 0, therefore A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Thus I will get m is equal to 5. This is one solution, or m is equal to minus 3 by 5. This is the second solution. Now fifth problem of 2.2. See here, 2x square minus 2x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. What I am going to do, this is 2 in the denominator. So I will take a simple step multiplying each by 2 so that these 2 will be removed and I will get a simple equation in the required format. So it will be 2 ने multiply करतो है, so 4x square minus 2 2 जा 4x plus 1, because these 2 will get cancelled with multiplying 2, is equal to 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So thus I am getting the equation as 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So again 1 4 are, so 4 1s are 4. 4th factors to get sum 2. 4 1s are 4. Here it will be either 5 or 3. So these are not the factors. Here the factors will be 2 2s are 4. To get the sum, that means same sign. Different sign means subtraction. So here minus 2 and minus 2. Thus I am getting 4x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here grouping the term I will get 2x common inside the bracket 2x minus 1. See 2x, 2x and nothing will remain, that means 1 remains. And again 2x minus 1. If 2x goes inside, minus 1 will be out, is equal to 0. Therefore 2x minus 1 and again 2x minus 1, same bracket I am getting 0. Therefore 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or same process you have to follow. Minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 by 2. Here same answer I am getting, x is equal to 1 by 2. If you write then also it is okay. You are taking the same term, or you can take any one bracket as equal to 0, and thus you can continue. The sixth problem. Here 6x, sixth problem, 6x minus 2 by x is equal to 1. Now again earlier problem 2 was in the denominator, here x is in the denominator. So if x is in the denominator, I have to multiply each by x. So simply multiplying each by x, I will get 6x square. Now this x will get cancelled, minus 2 is equal to 1x, because I am multiplying it with x. And thus I will get 6x square minus 1x minus 2 is equal to 0. So these 2 and 6, its product is 12. 12's a factor to get some minus 1 is 4 3s are 12. Difference is minus, so this sign will be for the greater number. See, this sign I have to put for the greater number, and remaining sign is for the next number. So I will get 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, I will be splitting or making the two terms. It is 2x is common, and in first bracket I will get 3x minus 2 2s are 4. So again 3x minus 2. So plus 1 outside, because full bracket is there. Nothing comes common, that means 1 is common, is equal to 0. Therefore 3x minus 2 and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. 2x is equal to minus 1, so x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Thus I will get the two solutions. See now 8th problem, HOTS आहे, नीट लक्ष द्यायचं. So here I am writing the problem. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 2 3s are 6. 6चे फॅक्टर्स आपल्याला पाहिजेत. द सम शुड बी 2 रूट 6. सो 6चे फॅक्टर्स तर नेहमी पडतात 3 2s are 6. व्हॉट आय एम गोइंग टू डू, मला हे 2 रूट 6 पाहिजे. सो आय एम गोइंग टू स्प्लिट दिस ॲज 3 ॲज रूट 3 इंटू रूट 3 and this as root 2 into root 2. See, you are getting 6 factors, 3 2s are 6. So 3 is root 3 into root 3 and 2 is root 2 into root 2. So we have to take their combination for. So हा झाला 3 root 2, root 3 and root 2. 1 root 6 and another root 3 and root 2 will be second root 6. Is it clear? हा एक फॅक्टर झाला सी रूट 3 इंटू रूट 2 इज वन फॅक्टर अँड सेकंड फॅक्टर इज रूट 3 इंटू रूट 2. ही जोडी आहे इथे. सो आय एम गेटिंग ॲज रूट 6 आणि हा पण झाला रूट 6. सो आय एम गेटिंग हिअर 2 टाइम्स रूट 6. सो therefore my equation will be 3x square minus root 6 minus root 6 plus 2. त्याची सम येते मायनस, सो सेम साइन is equal to 0. So I will now make the group. Therefore 3x square minus root 6 and minus root 6 plus 2. So here x and here I will write x. Now we have to take common from this. 3 is a combination of root 3 into root 3 x square minus root 6 is a combination of root 3 into root 2 x minus root 6 is a combination of root 3 into root 2 x plus 2 is a combination of root 2 into root 2 is equal to 0. Pay attention, it is a Hodge problem. Now if you divide 3 as root 3, 6 as root 3 root 2, 6 as root 3 root 2 and 2 as root 2, then only you will get the factors. Now you will see in these root 3 x is common. Root 3x is common. So root 3 and another x will remain minus root 3x is already there, so it will be only root 2 common. Whatever is common in these two, I have underlined them. Minus in this case also, what you have to get inside root 3x minus root 2. So for that root 3 and x to get inside, I will take common as root 2. हे बघा, root 3 and x should be inside. So root 2 will be common. If root 2 is common, then only root 3 and x will remain and 1 root 2 is taken out. So 1 root 2 will be inside is equal to 0. Thus I will get 2 brackets root 3x minus root 2 and again same bracket root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0 or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. I can continue with only one. So x root 3x is equal to root 2 and x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. So root 2 by 3 is our answer. You will get this. See, this is the solution. Problem number 9. 2m into m minus 24 is equal to 0. So therefore 2m square minus, here I will get, here you can multiply this, or see here, if it is like this, that means already factors are there. Already you can multiply and again you will take common is not the thing. So instead of multiplying, I can write easily as 2m into bracket m minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore 2m is equal to 0 or m minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 0 by 2, m is equal to 0 or m is equal to 24. This is the easiest solution. 10th problem is there. 25m square is equal to 9. This is a very important problem. We have to solve it by factorization. So what we are going to do, 25m square minus 9 is equal to 0. So here a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So square root of this is 5m and this is 3. Once you put addition sign and one subtraction, 5m plus 3, 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 5m plus 3 is equal to 0 or 5m minus 3 is equal to 0. So 5m is equal to minus 3, m is equal to minus 3 by 5. 5m is equal to 3, so m is equal to 3 by 5. Problem number 11. So here 7m square is equal to 21m. 7m square minus 21m is equal to 0. Now 7m is common. Inside the bracket m minus 7 3s are 21. It's equal to 0. Again 7m is equal to 0 or m minus 3 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0 or m is equal to 3. Thus I am getting 3 solutions. Last problem of the exercise, m square minus 11 is equal to 0. Same we have to solve it by factorization. Root 11 is the square root of 11. So m plus root 11 and m minus root 11, as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Therefore m is equal to minus root 11 or m is equal to root 11. These are the two equations.